Welcome viewers. We have an Olympiad mathematics question which is given that if 25 raised to the power x plus 5 raised to the power x is equal to 20, what will be the value of x? Let us solve it. Solution. 25 raised to x plus 5 raised to x equal to 20. What is the value of x? 25 is the same thing as 5 raised to power 2. Okay? Then raised to power x, 5 raised to power x equal to 20. Now, I can switch the positions of power 2 and the x to write it as 5 raised to power x, then raised to power 2 plus 5 raised to power x equal to 20, because multiplication is commutative. 2 multiplied by x is 2x. X multiplied by 2 is 2x. Alright, let u be equal to 5 raised to power x. Anywhere that is 5 raised to power x in this equation, I will replace letter u. That means here I will have u raised to power 2 plus u then equal to 20. Moving 20 from the right to the left, I have u squared plus u minus 20 is equal to 0. It is a typical quadratic equation. I can now solve this quadratic equation by any of the methods of quadratic equation. Let us go by maybe factorization method. Looking for two numbers I can multiply so that I will get minus 20, and when I add that same two numbers, I will get plus 1. That means 5 and the minus 4. If I multiply these two values, I'll get minus 20. When I add them, I will get plus 1. Therefore, I will use it to replace the middle term. That becomes u squared then plus 5u minus 4u minus 20 equal to 0. This is the process of factorizing quadratic equation. Therefore, putting it into brackets, into factors, what is common into the first bracket is u, then remaining into the bracket u plus 5, okay? Then into the second bracket, what is common is minus 4, leaving me inside the bracket which is u plus 5 equal to 0, because minus 4 multiplied by plus 5 will still give me negative 20. Okay. Now, I can now take any of the ones in the bracket, since two of them are the same. And that is u plus 5, then forming another bracket which is the ones outside the bracket, which is u minus 4. Everything is still equal to 0. At this point, these two brackets are each equal to 0, meaning u plus 5 is equal to 0. Also, u minus 4 is equal to 0. And from here, the value of u now will be equal to negative 5, while from the second bracket, the value of u will be equal to positive 4. But remember, we said here u is equal to 5 raised to the power x. I want to replace this value of u to 5 raised to the power x. That means from here I can now write 5 raised to the power x is equal to minus 5. Alright, to solve this, you can see and agree with me that here it is positive, while this place I have it as negative. Therefore, it cannot work. Let's come to this place. Replacing the value of u with what I have u to be, 5 raised to the power x, it will now be 5 raised to the power x here is equal to 4. So both sides of the equation are positive. We can move on with this. Therefore, to solve for the value of x, I can apply logarithms to both sides of the equation. And that becomes log of 5 raised to the power x is equal to log of 4. Applying the law of logarithms, this x will come to the front to give me x log 5 is equal to log 4. Dividing both sides of the equation by log 5 will give me x now equal to log 4 all over log 5. Okay? but this is the same thing as the log of 2 raised to the power 2 then divided by the log of 5 because 4 is 2 raised to the power 2. Applying the same exponential function, which is moving 2 to the front, will still give me the value of x from here as 2. Then log 2 all over log 5. Okay? This means, we can find log 2, we can also find log 5. Okay, let's move forward. What is now the value of 2? I have 2 here. The value of log 2. The value of log 2 is 0.3010, while the value of log 5 is equal to 6989. So I have gotten the values of log 2, which is 0.3010, and I have gotten the value of log 5, which is 0.6989. What then should be the final value of x? We can simply say 2 multiplied by 0.3010. That will give us 0.602 divided by 0.6989. When this is divided by 0.6989, it is now going to give us the value of x as 0.8613. Okay, beautiful. Therefore, I can now say that the value of x is equal to 0.861, okay, to 3 decimal places. I encourage you to find out if what we have solved as the value of x is correct by substituting the value of x which we have gotten into the positions of x in the given equation. That is challenge for you. 25 raised to the power 0.861 plus 5 raised to the power 0.861. Is this equal to 20? I leave it for you to do. Thank you, dear friends, for watching to the end. Do subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.